In today's pursuit of efficient interaction and excellent teaching quality, the S-Track LARK wireless microphone, based on 2.4G wireless transmission technology, creates an interference-free teaching environment for teachers. The built-in intelligent algorithms, such as adaptive feedback cancellation, automatic gain control, active noise cancellation, and equalization, ensure that every word from the teacher is clearly conveyed to each student, without worrying about fluctuating volume levels. Operation is simple, with just a power button and no other settings or unnecessary switches required. It truly implements the concept of one teacher, one microphone. Teachers can use their own microphone in any classroom. Once powered on and brought close to the receiver, the microphone automatically pairs with it and disconnects automatically when turned off. The microphone has a maximum battery life of 6 hours when fully charged and can continue charging in the included charging case to extend its usage time. The LARK microphone is very compact, with a diameter of 32 millimeters and a thickness of 12.5 millimeters, only slightly larger than a coin. Its ultra-lightweight design weighs only 9.7 grams. It supports 2 wearing methods. 1, clipped onto clothing. 2, hung around the neck with a lanyard. Whichever method is used, it easily frees the teacher's hands. Traditional headset microphones can also free hands, but they are often uncomfortable, especially when wearing glasses. Additionally, they have a cable connecting to a waist-mounted transmitter, making them cumbersome to wear. The LARK microphone operates on a 2.4 gigahertz wireless carrier frequency with a transmission distance of about 60 meters, specifically designed for classroom environments to effectively prevent cross-frequency interference between devices. The transmission bandwidth reaches 4 megabits per second, providing superior sound quality compared to similar wireless transmissions. A complete LARK microphone set includes a charging case, a microphone, and a receiver. Optional accessories such as a lanyard, windscreen, and external antenna are also available. The receiver supports both UAC digital output and analog output, used respectively for recording and sound reinforcement. A voice for the next level in education. LARK wireless microphone. Let us illuminate the future of knowledge with our voices.